Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Which store is better for inexpensive fall decor, Target or Walmart? Stay tuned and let's find out. My first stop is Target, and of course I had to go to both of the Target stores in my area just to get a better variety of the products that they're carrying. And most of what I'm showing you is all in the Bullseye Playground or Target Dollar Spot. And I don't know about you, but over the last several years, the prices of these things have really gone to mostly $5 items. There were a few $3 items like these little plates right here. They're not glass, but they're like a plastic kind of material. But these three things were $3, and then there's a couple other items that were $3, but you really don't find much that is less than $5. These right here were $3 as well. But I don't know if it's just the two stores in my area, but a lot of the shelves were empty. But what they did have was cute. They had a lot of Halloween decor, and I don't really decorate for Halloween, but they had a lot of Halloween stuff. But they did have a few things that were fall. And the few things that they did have, I really liked. In fact, I will probably go back and get this copper container right here for my coffee bar, my fall coffee bar. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do, because I'm going to be decorating my house for fall and I don't want you to miss it. So anyway, for now, I'm just going to let you go ahead and look at the rest of the things that I found from Target, and let me know in the comments below if you have seen anything different than what I show you, and also let me know if there's anything that I do show you that you're going to go try to find. They do have some sweet signs, some really pretty signs, couple of them that are really pretty. But anyway, this one says Fall Sweet Fall, and where that is written is almost kind of like it's embossed on kind of leather. But anyway, these are the signs they had, and I want you to tell me in the comments, do you get your like inexpensive fall decor or holiday decor for that matter from Target, or do you get it from Walmart? Go ahead and let me know down below. I also like these little baskets or boxes right here. These would be great for coffee bars, for your different coffees or teas. But anyway, I thought these were really cute as well. They did have quite a few baskets that I thought were cute. This one swings a little bit, so that's cute. Then they had this one. This is kind of a fall variation of the utensil basket, which is cute. And then they had some woven baskets. This one kind of shape right here came in these 3 colors, which are perfect for fall. And then they had this one other basket, and this was the only color I saw in this basket. This little section wasn't in the dollar spot. This was kind of near the craft area, but this is all $3. All these pieces are $3. And I don't know why they don't just put it with the dollar spot stuff. But anyway, if you're looking for this, it's more kind of near the craft area. And then I will say this next thing, this right here, is probably one of my favorite things that Target has right now, but it's this pumpkin kind of candy dispenser. It's not usable, but it's really cute decor. And now on to Walmart. I don't know if your Walmart has been renovated, but a lot of the ones in my area have started being renovated, and they now have their own dollar spot area. And these little banners were all in that area, and these were, I think, $3 each. They're very cute. And then I absolutely love this little sign right here. I think it is so cute, and it's pretty thick. I would say it's maybe like 1.5 inches thick, but this was really cute, and it was $3 as well. And these containers, they had 2 different styles of containers that would be perfect for Thanksgiving dinner for those relatives that want to take some food home with them, and you don't have to worry about trying to get your dishes back. Now, I will say that the Walmart dollar spot doesn't probably have as much of a variety of things, but they do have more things that are less than $5. So, you know, you will find a little bit more of a variety of price in that area. So these are just some of the things that I found, and I think these were $5, but like these little signs right here, this one was $3. And then they actually have, I know Dollar Tree has a tiered tray that you can put together for $5. Walmart has their own tier tray that is $5. So I thought that was neat. And I actually like the color of the wood on this one. But anyway, I'm going to let you finish looking through the dollar spot items, and there aren't that many more. I wanted to go ahead and come over to the regular fall holiday decor area of Walmart, because they actually do have a lot of decor pieces, decor items that are less than $5. These pumpkins right here, $4.47, very cute. They have a lot of signs. I thought this one was really cute. It's actually double-sided, and I want to say it was less than $5 as well. But even though all of this stuff is not in the quote-unquote dollar spot, there are a lot of things that are less than $5. So all of the stuff that you're seeing right now is all in the home decor or holiday decor area in your Walmart. This is one piece right here. I want to say it was maybe $7, even though it's not $5 or less. I just thought it was really pretty, and I think even $7 is a good price for this one. But I want you to make sure that if you're not subscribed to my channel, that you go ahead and subscribe, because when I do my coffee bar video, I want you to see if you recognize anything from this video that I am using in my coffee bar. And to end this video, I wanted to try out this French toast quick bread and muffin mix that I got from Walmart. You just add water, egg, and butter, and I'm not going to bore you with how I make it. I just followed the box instructions. These are the things you need. You need water, eggs, or 1 egg, butter, and the mix, and that's it. Follow the instructions. But anyway, I just wanted to try it and let you know how it tastes. But if you are new to my channel, again, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. And go ahead and click the box you see on the screen right now to see how I decorated my coffee bar last year. I will see you next time. Bye.